Hey guys, this video was actually recorded quite a bit ago, but I just wanted to go ahead and put it out there. I built a pirate ship made of pallets. This was just for Halloween one year, and the kids really enjoyed it. Really simple project to make. Just acquire some pallets, spray paint, a couple buckets that I got from the dollar store to make it look like cannons. Probably could have improved that a little bit more, had some more thought into it, but real quick and easy project. Let me know if you guys made one before or if there's any ways I can improve on it for next time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.